Okay, hello guys. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Pictet spengler reaction. This is another simple reaction. Normally, we are using this to close a ring, right? So here you can see this is a complete ring, and this is a halfway ring, right? This is not a complete ring, so we can use this reaction to complete it. We can use this reaction to complete this. Let's see how are we going to done it. So here you can see there is a amine group, and here you can see there is a carbonyl group. So a simple reaction is happening. You know what's the reaction is. We have talked about the previous video. So here we have nitrogen, one hydrogen, and this oxygen is going to be missed. So here we have the one hydrogen, and double bond will form with this carbon, and we have that R group and hydrogen. So here we have this, right? So now what's happening is we are going to do this nitrogen is a positive charged one. Here 1 2 3 4, so it's a positive charge. To neutralize this charge, this bond is going to be formed over here. So then when the bond is forming, this carbon is going to be unstable. To avoid that, this bond over here will come to stabilize it. So here we will have a product like this. Here we have the carbon, nitrogen over here, and hydrogen. Right. So now this carbon over here is positive sign, but this every carbon has a hydrogen. So here we have a hydrogen. This hydrogen will sacrifice to remove this positive charge. So we will have the final product as so, sorry, I just made a mistake over here too. So here we have a R group. Same over here. We have a R group. So this is the Pictet spengler reaction. It's a very small, simple reaction. We just use it to close a ring formation. Okay, now let's take an example question. Here, if we are asked to complete this, what are the structures for A and B? We can guess it, right? So the first step over here, we have a amine part, and here we have a aldehyde part. So this will create an iminium group, right? I hope you know the mechanism, so I will directly go for the structure. So here we are having this benzene group won't be affected. Here the oxygen gonna be replaced by the nitrogen, and one hydrogen is gonna be missed. Nitrogen and 2R is same. Always in this iminium forming reaction, you're going to lose a oxygen atom which is connected from the double bond, and a hydrogen atom from our amine group. So just keep it in your mind. So let's move on. So in this case, I hope you know what's happening in the H plus medium, right? Here we have a group. At the H plus medium, this oxygen will go and attack for H plus, which will create an unstable cation like this. So to neutralize this cation, one hydrogen from here will break out to neutralize the anion. So we will have our product like this, double bond. So now we have our iminium product over here, right? So I will draw it again here. Here we have the iminium product. Here we have the hydrogen, just the hydrogen over here. So you know what happens? This bond over here, this bond over here go and attack to the carbonyl center, and oxygen will come back. So this nitrogen is plus, right? Because it's an iminium ion, so one of the bonds will broken up. So what's happening now? We'll draw it over here. Here we have our this compound, right? So then to this place here, to this place, this part will be attached. Here we have the nitrogen, which have two R groups and a phenolic part. So it's easy. So this is our product from our managed reaction.